the confines of Philadelphia, where we read the same thing about more cop killers being released. Philadelphia, a member of the radical group MOVE, has been released from prison nearly 40 years after the group engaged in a shootout that killed a Philadelphia police officer. Debbie Africa is the first of the so-called Move 9 to be released on parole. She left state prison on Saturday. 9 Move members were convicted of third-degree murder in the August 1978 death of Officer James Ramp, and each of the 30 to 100 years in prison. The fatal confrontation came after police tried to evict the group from its rat-infested Philadelphia headquarters. MOVE claims Ramp was killed by friendly fire. Africa, who was pregnant at the time and gave birth in prison, said in a statement issued by her lawyer that she's happy to finally be home. She called for the release of the other 6 hoodlums for surviving defendants, including the father of her son, all of whom remain behind bars. 2 other MOVE members appeared before the state parole board on the same day as Debbie Africa, but were denied parole according to defense lawyers. Police and MOVE, an anti-establishment back to nature group, remained in conflict for years after the shootout, culminating in the 1985 police bombing of a MOVE headquarters that killed 11 people and destroyed dozens of row homes. 19-week trial of Ramp's slaying was marked by MOVE members frequently tirade against the court and society, and at the time was the longest and most expensive trial in Pennsylvania history. So here you have it, folks. It's proof that these commie liberal Bolsheviks have existed for more than 40 years. So these new millennials, these new kids, guess what? They were acting stupid way before you. So you're not the only one to invent stupidity. There are people that got this way before you did.